Sir, I beseech you for all the loves that have been between us, and for the love of God, let me have justice and right. Take of me some pity and compassion, for I am a poor woman and a stranger born out of your dominion. I have here no assured friend, and much less indifferent counsel. I flee to you as the head of justice within this realm. Alas, sir, wherein have I offended you? Or what occasion of displeasure have I designed against your will and pleasure? Intending, as I perceive, to put me from you, I take God and all the world to witness that I have been to you a true and humble wife, ever comfortable to your will and pleasure, that never said or did anything to the contrary thereof, being always well pleased and contented with all the things wherein you had any delight or dalliance, whether it were in little or much. I never grudged in word of countenance, or showed a visage or spark of discontentation. I loved all those whom you loved only for your sake, whether I had cause or not, and whether they were my friends or my enemies. These 20 years I have been your true wife or more, and by me you had diverse children, although it had pleased God to call them out of this world, which has been no default in me. And when you had me at first, I take God to be my judge, I was a true maid without touch of man, and whether it be true or not, I put it to your conscience. If there be any just cause by the law that you can allege against me, either of dishonesty or any other impediment to banish and put me from you, I am well content to depart, to my great shame and dishonour. And if there be none, then there I most lowly beseech you, let me remain in my former state, and receive justice at your princely hand. The king, your father, was in the time of his reign of such estimation through the world for his excellent wisdom, that he was accounted and called of all men the second Solomon. And my father Ferdinand, king of Spain, who was esteemed to be one of the wittiest princes that reigned in Spain many years before, were both wise and excellent kings in wisdom and princely behavior. It is not therefore to be doubted, but that they were elected and gathered as wise counsellors about them, as to their high discretions was thought meet. Also, as meseemed, there was in those days as wise, as well-learned men, and men of good judgment, as to be present in both realms, who thought then the marriage between you and me good and lawful. Therefore it is a wonder to me what new inventions are now invented against me, that never intended but honesty, and cause me to stand to the order and judgment of this new court, wherein you might do me much wrong, if you intend any cruelty, for you might condemn me for lack of sufficient answer, having no indifferent counsel, but such as be assigned me, with whose wisdom and learning I am not yet acquainted. You must consider that they cannot be indifferent counsellors for my part, which be your subjects, and taken out of your own counsel before, wherein they be made private, and dare not, for your displeasure, disobey your will and intent, being once made private thereto. Therefore I must humbly require you, in the way of charity, and for the love of God, who is the just judge, to spare the extremity of this new court, until I may be advertised what way and order my friends in Spain will advise me to take. And if you will not extend me so much indifferent favour, your pleasure then be fulfilled, and to God I commit my cause.